Check out this drip line system I just put in. About let's see, 8-9 bananas here, each one getting water coming off of a 1/4 of an inch drip line, also known as spaghetti line. And then each tree has an adjustable 360 microsprinkler, 360 degree. Took out an old sprinkler that wasn't being utilized and put one of these heads that brings out 4, it allows you to bring out 4 lines. Save 2 for later, so we can put one right here, little section, and then one over here in this little section. And then I brought out one line for these and this big guy, and the second line goes to these smaller ones here. You can see each one has an adjustable micro sprinkler, so that when they grow up they can have some more water if they need it. And then I've used a lot of staples to secure the line about 3 inches down from the ground. This doesn't need to go 6 to 12 inches like PVC line, but the PVC line is at that depth. You can see here these bananas are drought tolerant bananas, already fruiting in fall. This is the flower they come out of, and you can see here they're pollinated by bees and butterflies. I'll show you the system now. At the ends, I taped it up with electrical tape. Lasts a long time. You can use rebar wire as well, or goof plugs, but I don't like buying the goof plugs because they're pretty expensive. And this comes this way. Oh, there's a staple I need to hammer in. I'll get you right now. This comes all the way here. And then I'll show you the one by the big tree. This guy's got 2 of them. And then I put like a little cage out of staples here so that these don't pop out, which is a common callback, or this moving, which is also a common callback. Usually doesn't happen, but when it does happen, that's where your issues will be. Zoom out so you guys can check out the whole system. I'm gonna cover it up now. Looking pretty good.